keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students! A warm welcome to all our students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard Senior KG. Subject Drawing. Topic A Dog. Students, we are going to learn in this video how to draw a dog. For that, we are going to use A4 size drawing paper, a black sketch pen and these crayons. So let us start drawing a dog. First, we'll draw two curves in the middle of the paper. Then, we'll draw one more curve at the left side. Then we'll draw one more curve at the right side and we'll go down like this. Then we'll join here these 2 points with one more curve. Then we'll draw like this slanting line from here left side and again one more slanting line from right side. From here we'll draw one slipping line, then we'll go up and draw a slanting line, then again one more slipping line, then one slanting line and we'll join this line to this point and we'll draw legs for the dog. Now in the face we'll draw two circles for eyes and then here we'll draw slipping line and curve for the nose of the dogs. Here we'll draw like this whiskers. Then here we'll draw a tail for the dog. For that, we'll draw one curve line and from this point, we'll draw one more curve line going upward and join it here. This is the tail of the dog. Now this side, we'll draw one bone for the dog. Dog loves to eat bone. You know na that? For that, we'll draw like this slanting line, one curve like this, one more slanting line and one more curve like this and we'll join it here. This is the bone of the dog. Now for our eyes, we'll make like this curve and we'll draw nice eyes for the dog. This is our dog. It is ready now for coloring. So let us start coloring. First we'll take this brown color and we'll start coloring from the edges of the picture. Like this we'll color slowly from the corner. From side we'll color like this first and then we'll color inside for the face. Slowly we'll color near the eyes. And near the nose. We'll fill color where it is left to color. Now we'll take black color for the eyes, and here this half part of the eyes will color with black color. And its nose also will color with black color. And this is the tail of the dog, that also will color with black color. First start from the side of the border of the tail and then fill the color inside. Now we'll take brown color and we'll color body of the dog. Again start from the corner of the picture, color all the sides slowly. And then fill color inside. Like this. Now take this skin color and color this bone in the same way. First border and then fill inside. Now see children, our dog is ready.
Thank you, students.